Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head-to-head so you can make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the ultimate smartphone showdown, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro on the left versus the Samsung Galaxy S22 on the right. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, the price. On the left, we have the iPhone 12 Pro, coming in at a cool $560. On the right, the Galaxy S22 is priced at a very wallet-friendly $379. If your wallet had a say, it would probably be yelling, "Samsung, Samsung!" But hey, Apple fans, your bank account might forgive you someday. Now let's talk about those gorgeous displays. The iPhone 12 Pro boasts a Super Retina XDR display, which is just Apple's fancy way of saying, "Look at me, I'm shiny." Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 flexes with a dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz HDR10 Plus display. Translation: Samsung's screen looks so good, it might just convince you that binge-watching cat videos is a productive use of your time. Next, the cameras. The iPhone 12 Pro has a triple 12 megapixels camera setup that captures photos so good, even your selfies will look like they were taken by a professional photographer. On the flip side, the Galaxy S22 sports a 50 megapixels camera, which means you can zoom in on that embarrassing photo of your friend and still see every pore on their face. Who needs enemies when you have a 50 megapixels camera, right? Battery life is next. The iPhone 12 Pro guarantees a minimum of 80% battery capacity, which is like saying, "We won't die on you," most of the time. As for the Galaxy S22, well, it's got a battery that just keeps on giving, thanks to Samsung's optimization. So, if you plan on spending hours scrolling through memes, the Galaxy S22 might just be your new best friend. Let's not forget the extra goodies. The iPhone 12 Pro is fully unlocked and compatible with any carrier, perfect for commitment phobes. It's also inspected for minimal cosmetic damage, because nobody wants a phone that looks like it's been through a war. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 packs Android 12, an octa-core processor, and 8 GB of RAM. It's got Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and even a USB Type-C 3.2 port. Basically, it's the Swiss Army knife of smartphones. If the iPhone 12 Pro is the polished gentleman at the party, the Galaxy S22 is the tech-savvy genius who's got all the gadgets and knows how to use them. Reviewers have a lot to say about these two smartphones. For the iPhone 12 Pro, users appreciate the sleek design, vibrant display, and phenomenal camera quality, though some have noted issues with battery life and speaker problems. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 is praised for its powerful hardware, impressive camera capabilities, and overall versatility, but a few users have reported issues with physical condition and connectivity. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 12 Pro versus the Galaxy S22. Which one will reign supreme in your pocket? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic product showdowns. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping.